Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Uk49 lunchtime and tea time 7 June 2023. Lunchtime result, tea time result 0610 0610 2 state number and tea time. One more thing, my WhatsApp number +923069680720. I repeat once again, +923069680720. If you want 2 state number or 3 state number, just text me on my WhatsApp. Uk49 lunchtime and tea time 8 June 2023. Single numbers 0418 21 24 41 23 32 38 43 and 35. These 10 number are best number for the lunchtime and tea time also. And if you want 2 state number or 3 state number, +923069680720. Thank you.